Hey friends, I can't believe it. We are just a couple weeks away from the big day. Last weekend was my bachelorette party in Vegas, and let me tell you, my girls know how to do it right. They decorated the room for me, and it was so cute. My flight got delayed for 6 hours thanks to thunderstorms, so we barely made it. We rushed out the door to make it to the show, but we did make it and it was so much fun. Thunder from Down Under is my favorite show on the Strip. It's super enjoyable and not overly scandalous. I definitely highly recommend it.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight.
And my lovely girls got me a front row seat.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
We then went to the Glass Bar in Planet Hollywood, where we got treated to a round of drinks by this lovely stranger. She was amazing. Also got gifted a cute napkin rose by one of the bartenders. The next day, we went to Trapped and did an escape room, which was super fun. We did the Operation X13 room and made it out with 5 minutes to spare. We headed over to Caesar's Palace and caught the show at the fountain. I didn't even know this was a thing. The real fire was definitely unexpected. I was impressed. We then went to my all-time favorite buffet, Bacchanal, where I thoroughly overate. This one's a bit pricey, but if you can swing it, I highly recommend it. Their selection is so big, and I definitely come for the crab legs. After that, we headed to a karaoke bar for some singing and games. This one was really fun. It's called Pin the Banana, and as you can see, I wasn't very good at it. Beth ended up winning that one, but I think we all had fun. And then we ended the night just hanging out and doing girly things back at the room.
You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just want to be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me.
On Sunday, most of the girls parted ways, but a few of us were flying home together, so we walked around and did some gambling. Humble winnings as always, but at least we all ended up on top. We also came across a cute store called Fantasyland that had cute plushies and collectibles, and we ended up all buying some Snoopy surprise boxes.
Oh, how do you open it? just open the, okay, front. Oh, yeah. The perforation, and then lift up. Okay. Oh, yeah, I see. So it's something you just tear it open. Oh, I got this really cute. Oh, we all got different ones. I got the heart one. That's so cute. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll take it out too. Ah. That's true. Well, he was. Oh, because of his teeth. Oh, no, look at that. So cute. Oh, that's cute. Yay. So cute. That's $12 spent this trip.
And that's it for my Bachelorette weekend. It was so much fun and everything I could have wanted. Bachelorette parties are so expensive, so I feel so incredibly grateful that all my girls chose to be with me during this celebration. I truly have the best people in my life. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!